I am a professor of medicine in the Department of Medical Microbiology, and I'm also the director of a clinical research institute at University of Nairobi. So my focus on a day-to-day basis is to conduct clinical trials. And the work we are doing with SIOMS, developing guidelines for conducting clinical research in resource-limited countries, is very, very important to me, coming from Kenya, which is a low-income country. For many years, clinical trials have been conducted in the West, where the resources are quite available. But in resource-limited countries, there is very limited research. Yet, the drugs or the property, the agents that will be developed from clinical trials are then used in this part of the world. So it is important that if we are going to use products that have been tested in clinical trials, these products should also be tested in the parts where the diseases most occur, especially for infectious diseases, and now even for non-communicable diseases, which are becoming common in this part of the world. So SIOM's work in this regard is very, very crucial, and that is why I'm very excited that finally guidelines for conducting clinical trials in resource-limited countries will become a reality.